My name is Marie-Anne Wehbeh and I'm a Lebanese self-taught marbler. I initially started marbling as part of a therapeutic hobby in 2015 before officially founding my brand Marbled in 2018. Recently, I have been drawn to Suminagashi, which is a Japanese method of paper marbling. It is believed to be one of the oldest methods of marbling and paper printing, dating all the way back to the 10th century. Using only ink and a tray filled with water, the brush is dipped in the water to create concentric circles consecutively. When the desired number of circles is reached, gentle fanning can cause water movements and jagged lines of floating ink. Gentle blowing on the water surface can also create even more distorted patterns. In order to transfer the pattern, a piece of paper is gently laid on top of the water surface. The paper is then lifted with a permanent one-of-a-kind print. Centuries ago, official documents were decorated this way in order to avoid forgery. Printing on newspaper came after the soaring prices of artistic equipments following the Lebanese economic crisis of 2019. But it was also a way to highlight the short span of mass media that is now made one of its kind with the unique Suminagashi print. There is something truly humbling about marbling. You can have a rough idea of what you'd like to achieve by the end of the process, but a session of marbling can be unpredictable a lot of the time. Marbling is so much more than spreading paint over water. It's a continuous journey of perfecting the craft. Marbling teaches you discipline and self-control as an artist and creator. Master marblers say that the artist comes in second when marbling, and this is especially true in Suminagashi. You're not really the one orchestrating the actual process, but you are one of the many elements combined. Water, ink, body movements, and other natural forces all interact together. One of the things I love the most about marbling is that you have to fully immerse yourself at work. You're not afraid to touch colors with your hands. The results can be really intriguing and surprising at times. And that's what makes marbling so beautiful.